Thank you for dropping by. Your smile, your facial stillness, those evil eyes that stare at me amazing. Are you away? 'Cause it's you who feels the emptiness in me. You changes everything you see. Well, I know I've got you with me. Happy birthday, Luvlinesjr! Yeah. Thank you. Bebe, halika dito, away ka. I can say thank you in the chat. Yeah. Thank you. Ano kayang sound nun? Thank you so much, everyone. Fantastic singer. You are a fantastic singer. Thank you so much. Alright. I don't know this maybe. Maybe what? Thank you. Thank you, Stephanie. Oh no. I don't know this song, sorry. Sorry, hindi ko siya alam. Let me see. Just Another Woman in Love na lang tayo. Gail, andyan ka pa ba? Ito na. Ito na, Gail. Are you still there? Let's do this. Third warm up. Alright. Strong, I'm in control. Lead with a plan. Living the life is a little package all in my got it together, like only the truth. Will always just want to say do. Since I fumble and fall, run into the wall. 'Cause when it comes to you, I'm just another woman in love. A kid out of school, I fire out of control. Just another fool, touch me and I'm weak. I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. This is for you, Gail. More to me, if I should stay and gentle like a child. And content all over your face is driving me wild. Just watch you make me, can't wait till you take me and set all my feelings free. Know that you can, so come be my man. Tonight I wanna be, I'm just another woman in love. A kid out of school, I find out of control. Just another fool, you touch me and I'm weak. I'm a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. You're just another woman, just another woman in love. Just another woman in love, a kid out of school, I'll far out of control. Just another fool, you touch me and I'm weak, like a feather in the wind, and I can't wait to feel you touching me again. Just another woman, just another woman. Yeah, that's all. Thank you. Alright. Ay, 3 o'clock na. Mag 3 o'clock prayer na tayo muna.
Wow!
Ah,
You are a spectacular singer.
thank you. Alright, so
Maraming salamat, Gail. Ayun, natapos na.